Keep fighters gone over the rules in the back. There were no final questions from you, Blue. There were no final questions from you, Red. You've already touched gloves. Come out ready to fight.
Roll is betting favorite, minus 315. Justin Gaethje is plus 250. Gaethje is in blue with the gold trim. The fight.
Yeah, man, you know, this is a big-time fight, you know, but this guy's been here before. I really do believe that this is one of the keys to why Justin has made the improvements that he's made. Is that he, look at
timing with that right hand. We'll see if he can find a home for it tonight.
And the kicks.
Anthony Davis chiming in, watching UFC 254 at home. Big right hand from Khabib lands, and a nice counter shot from Gaethje.
You notice Gaethje's stance a little lower today, opposed to the Ferguson fight. Before he was
kick from Gaethje.
Nurmagomedov has a fantastic jab, man. More of a wrestling stance.
Nice jab lands for Nurmagomedov. About 2 minutes have gone by. There's that patented leg kick at the first takedown attempt of Nurmagomedov, who touches the toes to the body there. Right hand lands.
That pace and pressure of Khabib is what separates him from most guys. Justin's going to have to be able to stay with this.
Gaethje has successfully thrown
much in the Ferguson fight. When he started to throw big shots, Coach Whitman told him, slow it down. You don't have to load up on everything. The whole time he's got Justin on his heels. He's not allowing Justin to take the center of the octagon. It's when he started to really piece Tony Ferguson up.
Beautiful body kick lands for Nurmagomedov. Now the jab follows up.
It's that pressure, man. Look at the press.
Feet here, 3 minutes in.
And a lot of that success comes from the idea that Justin has to defend takedowns, John. You see him almost dropping his hands and head every time.
Not necessarily with a point to prove, but this is a well-rounded mixed martial arts.
Yeah, he is. And look at the jab of Khabib. It's working. He's popping Gaethje, but...
And that left hand a moment ago drew a smile out of Gaethje. Oh, and now another body kick. Nurmagomedov throws a flying knee, so... Oh, nice body shot, the left hook up top from Gaethje. Khabib eats, top partially lands for Gaethje. And again, that front kick of Nurmagomedov. The
beautiful leg pick that Gaethje, and if he keeps landing those, that'll get some respect.
Right hand over the counter left from Gaethje lands. Beautiful shot there on the double leg, and Nurmagomedov has his first takedown. That's
one of his best attacks, right? He needs to be in the KC control. He'll start to walk Justin's legs over to the left and split his knees. That'll make Justin want to go.
Final seconds of round one. Strong start for the...
Gaethje lands a beautiful left hook there. Walking Justin Gaethje down, left hook, right hand.
Leg kick for Nurmagomedov. Now
it's kind of circling into the power of Nurmagomedov.
Left hand behind the ear lands for Gaethje.
That one seemed to hurt the champ a little bit. You saw Khabib take a bad step after that.
Well with that front kick.
Oh, beautiful takedown by Nurmagomedov. Go right back to that same position. Oh, he's going triangle here. Setting up triangle into the arm. He's tapping.
It looks like he tapped. Khabib Nurmagomedov. The eagle rises again.
Going to pull out next, Justin Gaethje tapped a long time ago. Rev didn't jump in and he went to sleep. But wow, what a performance.
The mission is accomplished and the task is done. He can exhale and...
This guy's the #1 pound-for-pound fighter in the world, unquestioned, after dominating the interim champion like that, especially after Justin looked as he...
And still undefeated, and the UFC